This book is called Pooh's Grand Adventure: The Search for Christopher Robin, adapted by Justin Garman, and this is a fiction book. Pooh finds this note from his friend Christopher Robin, and along with his other friends, he tries to go and find Christopher Robin. This book is all about how to be brave. Pooh is just finishing up the summer with Christopher Robin, and Christopher Robin has to head back to school in the fall, but he's afraid on what to tell Pooh. So he finally gets the courage and tells Pooh this saying: Pooh, if you ever need me and I am not around, you must remember this. You're braver than you believe, and stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. And what's most important to know is that even if we're apart, I shall always be with you. Now, Pooh, he's a character. Just in general. He loves honey, but not as much as he loves his friends. And even though he hates being alone, he will put that aside when he thinks his friend, Christopher Robin, is in danger, so he sets out on this adventure with his other friends to try to save Christopher Robin. Now, the only thing he has to overcome is his fear of being alone, but I can't say too much without giving away the book, the ending. But this is actually a great book to read to elementary students, because it's a great book to teach about bravery and how to be brave in situations where you may think you can't be brave at all, but you actually can.